Do you remember what it was like to wake up happy and excited to go to school? When you really connected with an extraordinary teacher? Do you recall the feeling of pride when you finish a particularly challenging assignment? If you remember those feelings, your teachers knew how to make classrooms into positive learning environments. Blue Butterfly's Aprann Ansanm program is using design principles to bring that kind of joy to Haitian classrooms. Over 80% of Haitian teachers don't receive any formal pre-service training. Without training, they teach the way they were taught. Typical classrooms are somber and teacher-centered with strict discipline, including corporal punishment. Teachers use techniques like word memorization and lectures that fail to engage students. The focus is on learning facts over skills. In an ideal world, Haitian teachers would receive the kind of professional development that is the norm elsewhere. Aprann Ansanm is a cost-effective alternative. We embed professional development into subject-based teaching modules. Teachers learn a new way to teach by teaching in that new way. Each module includes practical lesson plans that guide teachers towards strategies that engage students' natural curiosity, collaborative activities that make learning fun, practice to develop lifelong skills, and digital media that reflects local customs and culture. Our graphic designers draw on Haiti's rich cultural heritage to create materials that are engaging, culturally relevant, and educationally challenging. The results are clear. Aprann Ansanm is helping Haitian teachers create meaningful learning environments for their students.